funniest viral videos. That's Jonarchy from Jonarchy and the Monarchy, and this is one of his epic fails.
Great hat. Dig it.
Epic fail. His head's too small, or the hat's too big. Brilliant.
Brilliant. Oh, which one of my music videos are you watching now?
Hey, Nova, actually, these are,
Jonarchy videos? Sid, you're watching Jonarchy videos.
Jonarchy epic fail videos. He's got loads of them. Look. Epic cake fail.
Jonarchy failing again and again.
Epic staircase fail.
Oh, I think I might love this.
Everyone does. Like,
Everyone.
yeah, look. His view count's so big, you have to turn your phone sideways just to read it.
So, by epically failing, Jonarchy is epically winning. Anyone could mess up a video. Look, I've epic failed loads. Ready?
And that epic fail was...
I paired a blue headpiece with a blue outfit. Epic too blue fashion fail.
I don't think Nova Jones can actually fail epically at anything.
I can so epically fail. Everyone, stop watching Jonarchy. Now! Nova Jones is going to fail epicer than any epic failer ever epic failed epically.
Nova?
I'm upset. Help me, I'm upset.
What's the matter?
On TV. They're going to pick where I perform at random. At random.
I know. We agreed it months ago. Remember? I've got it all in hand. Your song lists, all chosen, choreography, programmed. The colour you've invented's been added to the line.
I do love my new colour. I'm calling it Brian.
Nice, very warm.
It's just, if I don't know which planet we're going to, how can I know what to wear?
Whoa. Hang on. What to wear? What else would make a music star Nova Jones wear to a brand new planet but... brand new tiara? Wait, what is that? A cuddly toy animal called Gurgle? I don't like it. It's weird. It's a pet that hardly moves. Well, stay calm. I can't have ordered the wrong thing. That wouldn't be very me, would it? Look at all this packaging. You know none of this can be recycled. I'll be sending a complaint. Oh, but please calm down! My little pumpkin strudel. Do you love your cuddles? Yeah, you do, Gurgle. Look at his little face. Right, Nova, you're filming your Big Jenny Forever scene in an hour. You can do the sensible thing, stick to singing and cancel the scene, or...
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
No. This isn't a rehearsal. Full performance, please. Action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. Will there be a secret superhero base behind me? Because I said I wanted my character to be super.
She's a meteorologist.
a weather scientist.
But she could be a super-powered meteorologist.
Whatever. If it helps you, just do the line.
Yes, see, just needed my motivation. I will look like a superhero. Ready?
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
Be emotional. Is my speaker on? Can she hear me? Can you hear me?
1 second.
Nova, how's it going? I think I'm acting brilliant.
You are, but they want some more feeling. Like, remember how you really dislike green gummies?
Yes.
And remember when you were on tour that time and found a green gummy inside your orange gummy bowl?
Yes, that was awfulicious.
She's ready. Go, now.
Action.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. I don't like being laughed at.
Well, if you appear in this film, you'll soon get used to it. Oh, you're tearing me apart. The pain in the way you say the storm makes the very stage weep in agony. You should not act. It's okay. I should not cook. I try useless smash cookies that taste like feet. Your acting tastes like feet. I resign. Yes, I resign. And never again shall I have to hear those terrible words. You can't go out in the storm. It's too dangerous.
That was really good. Incredible acting.
That's it. That's the take. Cut. Print.
Wait, what? Wait!
Al Pacino, you're in the movie. That was perfect line delivery. Nova Jones, I'm sorry, but you're fired. Please never act again.
With Boodlebegan fever sweeping the galaxy, do we have an exclusive for you? Give a big wave to the singer from the north of space, Neve shimmering. I can wave my feet. Hopefully the song you're performing on Boodlebegan isn't quite so cheesy.
This is all just a dream come true. That is, if you dream about entering Boodlebegan, I mean, which I do. But I also once dreamt that I was a bouncy castle and only cactuses could jump for me. So it's not that dream come true, I hope.
Okay, awesome.
Oh, she's a bit different. She could score the full 10 fingers this year. Did you? Popcorn.
A bit different. I've never lost to anyone without shoes before. I've never lost to anyone with shoes either. So, watch out, the teleport button!
Why do they always put the important buttons in all the comfy spots?
This show is the ideal place to announce my entry to the Boodlebegan Song Contest. Sid, do that beamy thing. Beamify me in.
No. 1, beamify isn't a word. 2, teleporting is a very precise and risky operation. And 3, you can't enter Boodlebegan because...
Well, Neve, it's still anyone's guess who might win Boodlebegan.
Actually, Bubbles, I can tell you and McLaren exactly who will win.
Is it a purple frog in a biker jacket?
What? No, neither. Me. It's me. Me-self shall be entering and winning the Boodlebegan Song Contest. Sus.
Red hot exclusive. But Nova, how? If you're not from the Boodlebegan galaxy, surely that's impossible.
Oh, sorting impossible things is what McLaren does. She loves it.
No going back now. She's announced it to the universe.
Sid, beamify.
Still no such word.
No, Sid, stop! You can't beam 2 pop stars at once. Oh, no. They've been hip-hopped.
I don't think I've ever had another person attached to me before.
I'm not attached to you. You're attached to me. McLaren, get her off me. I'm a solo artist. McLaren, solo.
Oh, and should I fix this impossible thing before or after the other impossible thing you want me to fix? Getting you into Boodlebegan!
At the same time.
I can unhip-hop them. I just need to reverse the process. Same buttons, but backwards. It's easy. Well, it sounds easy.
The Dress-O-Matic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since...
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Nova, you're so sensitive about...
I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, boy. Wait, why do people say oh, boy? Why don't they say oh, girl?
Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat.
Oh, what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
when I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing!
He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Obs blob. Get me out of this costume. Is my machine ready yet?
Needs a smaller battery. Give me 20 minutes.
Plug it in. I need my new outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dress-O-Matic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dress-O-Matic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dress-O-Matic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my suite used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro? Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are... Three's the Charm.
Three's the charm.
Oh, girl. So this is slapstick?
Yep. Slapstick is one of the earliest forms of comedy, Sid. It's all about physically embarrassing an authority figure.
Like you! You know, sometimes I sit with Nova and McLaren talking about how in charge you are, and we just laugh and laugh and laugh.
Get them in!
Okay, you like funny, yeah? Well, how about this? I'm a very important captain in need of a rest. Oh, this looks like a comfy chair.
All right, back to work with you. Yeah, just need to find my audience. Perhaps they're afraid to laugh because I'm too much of a figure of authority.
Nova, the wish call starts in 3, 2...
I'm here. Nova Jones reporting for famousness.
Your Royal Jelly audition begins now. Please commence the performance.
My life is full of fortune. Got that level of fame where they clap and they cheer as they call out my name. I don't have to compete with nobody else but me. Baby, you know that I'm in my own league.
Phone. This is a disaster.
I'll do what I do best. And no, it's no contest. I'll stay in my own lane.
Hello? Is there a problem? I mean, apart from your artist sounding like a tone-deaf horse chewing on a clumsy cat?
No problem at all. Just everyone who works here being useless. Hang on.
Useless? Oh no, I need to be useful. The fear. Oh, what can I do?
Did I get the gig?